In this video, you'll learn how to successfully start dropshipping on eBay. This guide will provide you with the essential knowledge and steps necessary to navigate the eBay marketplace effectively, ensuring a smooth launch for your dropshipping business. Begin by familiarizing yourself with eBay's seller policies and marketplace rules. It is crucial to understand the fee structures, which include listing fees and final value fees, as these will directly impact. Additionally, review shipping requirements to ensure compliance. Utilize eBay's analytics tools to research trending products, which can help you identify what items are currently in demand. Recognizing reliable wholesale suppliers is equally important, as they will be the backbone of your inventory. Start with a small, manageable inventory to minimize risk and allow for easier adjustments. Educating yourself in these areas will significantly reduce beginner mistakes and help build your confidence in the marketplace. Next, you will create optimized product listings. Begin by crafting attractive titles that include relevant keywords to enhance visibility in search results. Provide clear and detailed descriptions for each item, highlighting key features and benefits. High quality, professional images are essential. Ensure that the photos accurately represent the product. When setting prices, calculate all associated fees to establish competitive pricing that still allows for profit. It is also important to offer reliable shipping timelines to set customer expectations. Regularly monitor your competitors to adjust your pricing strategy accordingly. Optimizing your listings will improve visibility, while clear descriptions will foster trust with potential buyers. Customer service is a critical component of your dropshipping business. Aim to respond promptly to messages from potential buyers, as quick communication can influence purchasing decisions. In case of disputes, handle them professionally and courteously to maintain a positive reputation. Tracking delivery performance is vital. Ensure that items are shipped on time and in good condition. Learn from customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to your processes. Monitor your performance metrics weekly to understand your business's health and areas that may require further attention. As you progress, continuous learning will be key to driving improvement in your eBay dropshipping business. Stay updated on changes in eBay policies, market trends, and customer preferences. Engage in forums or groups related to eBay selling to exchange tips and strategies with other sellers. This ongoing education will enhance your ability to adapt and thrive in a competitive marketplace. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.